Hi everyone, I'm Jignesh from OnceHub. In this video, I'll show you how to route your form in Form once so you can automatically send customers to the right booking page or team based on their answers. Imagine you're using one form for all your customers, but depending on what they choose, you want them to end up in different places. For example, someone might want to book a demo, another might need technical support, and someone else might be requesting pricing information. Instead of creating multiple forms, routing lets you use a single form and direct each customer to the right page, person, or process automatically. So for that, once you log into your OneSub account, uh, on the home page, click on Routing Forms, which is on the left side. I have created one qualified scheduled meeting routing form in which the first interaction is getting their email address, and then I'm listing two options in which I'm asking what is their annual income. The options are less than 50K or between 50K to 100K. And then I have set up routing on that. The logic is that if this answer is less than 50K, then they will be routed to the third interaction in which I will be just thanking them and mentioning that my team will be contacting them via email. But if the answer is between 50K to 100K, and if this customer is of interest for me, I would be routing them to a scheduled meeting action wherein I would say we'd like to schedule a meeting with someone from our team, and then they will be further routed to this scheduling interaction wherein they can schedule a time with us, and that is how I have set up a basic process of routing. Now let us test this step. Here, enter the email test@gmail.com, and then if I choose 50 to 100K, I should be getting a scheduling action. Yes, and then click on continue. Now we are getting this scheduling option. If I click on restart again, test@gmail.com, and if I choose the less option, less than 50K option, I will just get a message of a member of our team will contact by your email. So yes, by this you can set up routing for your forms. Thank you.